Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're going to look at a Stihl 48. This is made in 1980. It's a 77cc motor, and it's got a 24-inch bar and chain. Just going to show you a couple things on it. It's got a working chain brake. And it's had a repair done on it back there. You can take a look at. Somebody's welded that. Definitely done a good job. It's a steel bar with a sprocket nose. Chisel bit chain, skip shoes. And let's take a look at the other side. For its age, it's good clean soft, and it does run good. Let's go out now and make a cut in that Douglas fir.